Nayeli Lo Vera is an American dancer, YouTuber, and social media influencer who rose to prominence as a member of the popular content collective Rock Squad. She captivates young audiences with her energetic dance routines, comedic skits, lifestyle vlogs, and collaborative challenges. A Cancer by Zodiac, Nayeli's content emphasizes creativity, fashion, and friendship, amazing hundreds of thousands of followers across platforms. She balances her digital career with a nomadic lifestyle, splitting time between the US and Czechia while occasionally dipping into acting. Nayeli was born and raised in the United States, where her passion for dance emerged at a young age. She grew up alongside her younger brother Jackson and frequently appears in his Instagram content, showcasing their close sibling bond. In 2021, Nayeli debuted her personal YouTube channel on October 28, focusing on shorts with trends, beauty tips, lifestyle hacks, and challenges alongside friends. She expanded into brand partnerships, modeling for tween-targeted lines like Fashion Nova Kids and LOL Surprise, seamlessly integrating products into her authentic post. Her acting credits are emerging. She appeared in the 2023 short film The Pom Pom Diaries and the family series Not Enough Nelsons. Nayeli's professional start traces back to her childhood as a junior modern dancer, with her Instagram account launching in 2020 to highlight performances and modeling gigs. She joined the Rock Squad, a YouTube collective founded in October 2015 at just 4 years old, contributing to its growth into a hub for kid-friendly content like dance clips, GRWM, Get Ready With Me routines, teen dramas, beauty hauls, pranks, and travel vlogs. The channel, featuring collaborators like Eliana Wamsley, Jordan Matter, and Piper Rockhill, has produced viral hits such as Taking Needle on Our First Date, Valentine's Day Gone Wrong, and 24-hour sleepover challenges feed Salish Matter.